Hello everyone, I hope your summer vacation is off to very fun and relaxing start. Although this summer vacation sounds to be very fun, relaxing and full of freedom, but this summer vacation also brings a great opportunity to explore your own self. Exploring yourself means when you can think about what are the new things you want to learn, what are the new hobbies you want to explore, and when you just think about it, when you set goals for yourself that okay, this is what I want to achieve, it boosts up and helps your brain grow. And when you try to accomplish and finally achieve that, okay, I wanted to learn this and have finally learned this during my summer vacation, it makes you feel great. So let us all make one goal for this summer vacation. It doesn't has to be very big. It can be as simple as maybe learning to cook something new, or maybe reading a good book and finishing it off, or maybe you can even try to explore and learn a new sport for your own self, new hobby that you wanted to learn. So it can be as simple as all this thing that I have listed. So but you have to have one goal for the summer vacation. So what will be your summer goals? Think about it, write it down, and maybe we can discuss it when we meet. Now, the other side of the summer vacation could be many a times, for many of us, the summer vacation can make us feel a little bored, or it can make us feel a little lonely, especially when we are not meeting our friends every day. So, it's a great time to reconnect with our friends and family members. Even with our family members, it's a great opportunity to sit with them, go around for a walk in a very beautiful nature, around the nature, and you can spend as much time as you can with your family members. So reconnecting will definitely help you to grow emotionally and socially. And the last part would be every new beginning. Before every new beginning, it's very important to have a little reflection of the past. So please try to have a little reflection about the last academic year, that what did you did, like how was your behavior, how were you in the last academic year, and what could be a little different you, what changes you want to bring in your own self for the current academic year. So when you try to answer this question, you will have a lot of reflection, you will have a lot of learning about your own self that will definitely help you to have a lot of insight and definitely help you to grow. So see you soon. Take care.